Thutha wa gukuruhanio thirikari-ini kurumirira mirurungano ya mbeũ njĩthĩ thirikari ya Gen Z magitetia watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024, MINISTA wa kigina John Mbadi nionekanire gucenjia murugamo wake wena atongoria aria angi makuruhanirio thirikari-ini magikinyiriria uhugiriru wao sekta-ini itiganite niguo urabatarania kunyorokia bururi na muno makiria kibeca.
I, John Mbadi Ngongo, being appointed a cabinet secretary of Kenya.
Riu tariki 12 mweri uyu maitho mothe makerekerio kuri Mbadi agithoma budget ya mwaka wa kigina wa 2025-2026 gikiarikio gibarua giake KIRITU KIAMBERE kuma ayukia ministry ya kigina. Mbadi uria hau gabere utetigithagia gukirira thirikari riu ekorete handu haritu wakana kiumia giukite agitindikiririo hihi gutetera mitaratara iria hau gabere areganaga nayo.
Even me, when I was the other side, I really contributed towards the defeat of the last year's finance bill, because I looked at the 5% which was bad. 95 was okay, 95% was okay, but my duty was not to talk about the 95% which was okay. I looked for the 5 and made sure it was very bad, because that is the role of opposition. But now that I'm in government, I talk about the 95%.
Bajeti ya mwaka wa kigina wa 2025-2026 ni ya shiringi trilioni 4.26 kuma shiringi trilioni 3.98. Mbadi agitegimania bajeti ino riri bururi ukoretwo na moritu ma kweyohanirira kwa ngombo mateta kuma kuri muingi megie kuongerereka kwa magoti maria marituhitie muturire.
I am convinced that if we manage our debt and the application of Article 2 to 3 of the Constitution, we will have better balanced budgets. We may not need to overtax because we will have reduced the expenditure side of the budget, and this article will not be misused during my tenure at the National Treasury.
Na kuri Mbadi ndagakorwo tu agithoma budget ino no ningi agakorwo kigeri-ini gia kugeria kwiguithia muingi kunyitanira na thirikari kuumanire na utungata kuri muingi no ti kanya ga kwiguna kiuteti.